Got my Miralax here and about to drink it. But first, let's go see how good of a morning it is. Just woke up wearing a double jacket even though it's 88 degrees. And look. Oh. Look. Apparently it's not daytime and I woke up 12 hours ago. Let me! So today we're actually going to be doing a Lego set video. Again, Lego sets are becoming a little habit of a thing. So, but I got a Spider-Man one today, so could go wrong with that? So I have my Miralax and I haven't drank that yet today, and I need to drink that because probably shouldn't have said that, but so we have Carnage in it, and yeah, we have Miles Morales and Spider-Man, obviously. So let's get to that right now, bud. So we have it right here. We have the thing. We have it in a bag actually because I have skills. So yeah, a lot on the ground. And first, so we have obviously a Spider-Man Lego set, Spider-Man's bike rescue, Carnage in it. Carnage is gooder man. So, we have Miles Morales right here. We have Miles Morales right there. And then Carnage right over here. Spider-Man's spider bag right there. Like I said, I'm 88 degrees and I'm wearing a hoodie. But if we look at the back, we see like maybe like right there. Carnage's handcuffs right here is like the machine. The gun, there's like some web parts right here. What's that? Oh, like the bike motor thing. Which is a different action scene. Let's open this right now. Cha-ching! Alright, so let's put the hoodie up, or the hood up, and let's do the hair sticking out, hair snout. Alright, and so let's open this, and this might take a while, like always, the Disney ritual, it always takes a while. I'm like an idiot. You just want to open it this way or this way? I mean, it's easier this way, or it's easier that way, but let's just open it this way. So I'll be right there. I'll cut it right here. So by the way, I just reviewed the footage and let's say I just cut it and yeah. Alright, so let's get to opening this right now. Alright, so let's dump it out. That was very more epic than I thought. That was a little bit anticlimactic, but let's throw that over there. I guess let's get to opening the bags and building. So, see you later. So, I just interrupted time lapse. It's pretty rude of me. I'm an idiot, but so tomorrow, aka Sunday, July or August 4th or something like that, Eastern time or something like that. I don't know. I'll be finishing this video just because I don't feel like doing it at 9 a.m. I'm just like tired and I'm like like I'm seeing a gray brick as a gold brick. It's kind of weird, but so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for like 2 seconds. So see you later. Bye. Finishing up the last touches with the webs, and I also forgot there's a bag 1, there's bag 2 right here. Instructions and stickers always come in handy, buddy. And so I'm finishing up the last touches right now, and I'm just opening the webs and putting them on here. So yeah, I will see you once I'm done. All right, so we have the spider bike or whatever this is called, and we have like a web sticking out of here. So I'm guessing like people are gonna or something. And then there's your shotgun. Your Spider-Man, obviously the pretty basic Spider-Man. And we could also use the webs like right over here somewhere. And yeah, so good. Let's move on with bag 2. I'm guessing this is like the Lobo machine, like right there. If you guys can see that, so see there. Alright, so obviously we have the spider bag right here. But we have this like little like remote control thingy, and I don't know what it does on the box, but hold on, let me see. Looks like Carnage is like one of the Robin or something. So like you have Carnage right here. He can't stand up, but you can kind of like make him stand up like that. It's pretty cool and neat. And this is like I think this is like the coolest feature in my opinion. Just like you wrap yourself in a ball, run around, and yeah. We have Miles Morales, obviously from Into the Spider-Verse, I'm guessing, in the comics. He has a web, so and like always, I'm about to showcase this off in a picture, but yeah. Today's a different day. Today's the next day. I'm gonna be posting this up like I don't know. Spider bike is pretty cool to chew, obviously. I don't know what this does, but it looks like it goes like it like pops up and it's like kind of cool. Feels. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be a short video or not. Let's find out. So, bye bye. See you next time. In the next video next week. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Bye.